Hello, this is a hexagonal version of a famous A Puzzle a Day game where you have to arrange the pieces so that the cells of your preferred day are visible. You can enjoy the puzzle every day. The original project is from Shinsaku Hiura, and on his Thingiverse profile you can find 3 versions with different difficulty levels, and this is the easiest one. On the same page you can find a solver program with which you can get at least one solution for each date. As you can see, the game is printed in 2 different colors, and the way you can do that is explained in one of my previous videos. Game is printed on my 3D printer GEEETECH I3 Pro B in reduced format, a scale of 1 to 0.1 to 0.8, so this mini version is very convenient to carry in any trip, vacation and the like. Here are some possible solutions for a specific date, for example April 5th. This is second solution. Next, third solution. Etc.